Welcome to your first time air travel guide. In this video I am actually going to discuss about these things. So you will get guideline about if you can do it by your own first time journey. Obviously you will be very much nervous, and should you buy the ticket first, or should you wait for the visa first to arrive and then you will apply for the ticket. I'll discuss on this, and also best air ticket buying platforms, and also travel reimbursement guide for the ICCR scholars. There are lots of viewers, so I'll focus on this part a little bit, and also some international card or home currency issues. So you can think, should I have international card to pay for the air ticket, or is your home currency, like if you're from Bangladesh then it's Bangladeshi taka, and if you're from India then it can be Indian rupees. So whatever, can you buy with your home currency? So I will discuss on this point also. So let's start the discussing about the points. So first time, can I manage it myself? This is actually a big issue. You obviously be very much nervous, but my suggestion is don't be that much nervous and just be in a flow state. Just follow the guidelines. There will be some guidelines given to your boarding pass or ticket. You need to follow this, and when you enter into the airport, yeah, so whenever you will enter into the airport, then you need to do what? Just follow the guidelines. Just follow. Maybe this is your first time, but you will find lots of people who make regular flight travels, so just follow them or discuss with them, then you will get the guidelines. So obviously you can manage it, and I would like to suggest you 2 points. Just you maybe you will be allowed to carry 2 bags. So the first bag, which one will be your trolley bag. You are supposed to take all your metal or knife related anything that can be deadly to someone else inside the plane. So those things, maybe they are needed for you, so you can put them inside your trolley bag. If you keep anything metal related that can be deadly towards others, you have to discard it in the airport. So be careful about it. I had to discard one of my favorite metal pens. Actually it was a metal pen, so that was very much helpful for me, but I had to discard it. I didn't know it. So just maintain these things and follow the guidelines. This way you can manage it. Don't be that much tensed. And then I would like to discuss about should you wait for the visa first and then you will buy the ticket? The answer is not always. You can buy a refundable ticket so that you can cancel it anytime. And if what happens actually, if you wait for the visa to come and then you apply for the ticket, then actually if you if you maintain a close gap, the gap is not that much, then you will have to pay extra amount. You can search the ticket buying platforms that ticket price for the closer dates will be very high. So it's I would like to suggest you just buy ticket as earlier as possible, so that, and if you apply for the visa and if you're an ICCR scholar, you will get it very soon, within 3 to 5 working days. So you can make a gap before that. On this day you can get your visa and this day you can make your travel, then you can apply with your passport and all the informations for the ticket. So that's all. And finally, yeah, like and subscribe to the channel if it seems to be helpful for you. Would be very much appreciated, because career, character and abroad, this name is a big name actually. You may not find this channel all the time, and you may forget the name and not get it by searching. So subscription would always give you these informative videos at the earliest. And then can I pay in my home country's currency? So yeah, the answer is yes. In most of the cases, the air ticket platforms, so they support your home currency, and if the home website displays another currency, like it can be INR, Indian rupees, or US dollar, whatever it is, then your bank will automatically convert that amount from your amount of card into that currency. maybe your bank may charge some amount for this conversion, but still they will be converted. So don't feel that much worried about it, that I need to have international card to buy the ticket. It's not like that. Okay. And then finally, we are in the last part of this video. So best air ticket buying platforms. So I would suggest you for Skyscanner, because it will show you some cheaper rates, and it will also give you some comparisons. So you can use this platform. Just search on Google Skyscanner, then you will find their website, and it also supports various currencies, so need not worry about that much. And you can also search on Google Flights. I would like to there are lots of platforms actually, but I have chosen these four basically because at least you should check the ticket in 3 to 4 platforms. So according to my observation, these 4 platforms are enough for you. So you can also search for that same air agency, like it can be Air India, Indigo, anything, Bangladesh Biman, lots of airplanes are available there. So you can search for the same ticket in different platforms. You will get various prices, and the best price you can then buy. You can search for Google Flights also, and also Make My Trip. This is also another excellent platform, because it's very popular in India, and also it's very much supportive for the customers. And then finally, you can search for the airline's official website. If you want to go by Air India or Indigo, anything, just search that and go to their website and search for the tickets. Why you can search for this one? Because these are the official website of that airplane, and you can get reliable or best changes, refunds, and these things. But generally, these tickets will be a little bit higher, so you can compare their prices with this platform also, because they can sometimes offer you cheaper rate prices. Okay, so that was the whole video for this topic, and wishing you all the best for your first time journey, and a happy journey. And okay, one more thing, I forgot to talk about the reimbursement actually. So for reimbursement, you should carry the ticket, all the ticket documents with you, so that you will have to pay these hard copies, official or the original hard copies, to the ICCR authorities. You need to upload this to the portal, and also maybe you will have to mail them, but you will also have to submit the hard copies. So keep those things with you also. Okay, that's all the best.